Hello everyone! So in this video, we are going to explore the differences between the two commonly used Chinese characters, 二 and 两. Although both of these characters mean two, they are used in different contexts. Let's break it down. Firstly, 二 is used when counting or referring the number two in mathematical or formal contexts. It's the standard way to write the number two. For example, if you want to say 20, you could say 20. And if you want to count to 200, you will say 200. Now let's look at the character 两. It is used in more specific situations, especially when you are counting objects like people, items, or things in pairs. For example, 两个苹果 means 2 apples. 两本书 means 2 books. You will notice that we use 两 when there is a measure word involved, like 个 or 本. So in these cases, we can use 二 to replace 两. But there are some specific situations we need to pay attention to. When we are counting to the numbers like 20, we can only say 20, but we can't say 20. But if it's up to 200, 2000, and above, we can say it in both ways. So 200 or 200, either way is okay, with the meaning of 200. Similarly, 2000 or 2000, both are correct, means 2000. So for example, if you want to say the year of 2000, we can say 2000年 or 2000年. So remember these differences, and you will be able to use these two characters correctly and count in Chinese in a more fluent level. Now, as a reward to my YouTube channel friends, I'm going to release a coupon code. With this coupon, you can enjoy 50% off to all the products and the learning plans. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this coupon step by step. And you guys can find the coupon details in the description part of this video. So let's go! So this is our website. You can scroll down the home page to find the plans and then choose the plan which suits you. Or you can just start at the menu bar and click into the plans columns. So either way is okay. Then you choose a plan or a product that suits you. For example, this is the most recommended and the cost-efficient ones. And let's click these buttons. Now we are jumping into the payment page. Then look at the left top corner. You will see they have a coupon text here. And then let's click into this text. Now key in the coupon code, which is YT15 off. Then you will see the pricing has been changed, and now it enjoys the 15% of offers. And continue to input the payment details, it will be done. Alright. And one more thing. I have left 2 questions written in Chinese in the community columns within the YouTube channels. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys there. And you can also leave any kind of questions related to the Chinese learning here. I will do an episode specifically to answer the questions you leave. Alright, so looking forward to more interactions with you guys. See you! 我们下期见! Bye!